Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And today I'm here with my bonnet because we're about to get into some wash day. My hair is stretched and ready to be washed, that's for sure. But this wash day is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be trying a new technique that I saw. As we know, I've gotten into press-on nails, and if you've watched my other video, first of all, go watch it. But I talk about how you want to minimize water on your nails to ensure that they stay on longer. So I was kind of browsing a little bit, and then I came across this video, and I will link her video down below and I'll put it on the screen. Her name is Curlture UK, such a cute name, but she posted a video using gloves during wash day. I thought this was super interesting and kind of cool, and I listened to her videos a little bit. She talks about it adding like an extra slip, like more slip, and it makes wash day better. And there were some comments saying that it was like a game changer, and she said it was a game changer. So I got excited. And you already know my wash day and everything is very simplified when it comes to my hair. And I made that switch like a couple years ago, but to add another extra and to protect my nails, I'm here for it because this sounds really fun. So she said vinyl gloves or latex gloves, no other ones because these give the slip, and like the other ones will snag at your hair because they have more grip, and these are more smooth surface. So I went to Walmart, let me pop this out, and I'm so excited. They come with 100 gloves, so 50 wash days. So that's like a year of wash days. So I'm excited. They feel, I mean, I know how these gloves feel like, but I'm really excited. So I'm gonna take you guys along in the shower for the journey. So let's jump right into it. All right, y'all, we're in the shower. I'm too tall for this thing. You guys should see how long I had to make my tripod and everything, but we got one glove on. These are vinyl gloves. One I love, snug fit, cute. And they're ready. Oh my gosh, the slip feels, ooh, I like it into this. Let me like fully saturate my hair and then be back once I put like some shampoo and everything in. But like on my dry hair, I'm really liking the feeling. Curlture UK, you might be onto something, sis. My hair is wet, I think. That one thing that I'm catching right off the bat is I feel like I can't tell if my hair is like wet and fully saturated. Maybe I'll see it more. Ugh. By the way, I hate filming and washing my hair. It's the most annoying thing ever just because I feel so cold because I have to stop the water, and I haven't figured out this setup, or girls like got the whole camera in the tub and in the shower and all. I don't know, I'm not advanced yet, but I will say they are my favorite videos to film. I just hate in the shower just because I love my hair. Okay, done. So I'm actually gonna split this. I will say the slip is nice. I can like, my fingers just like, they glide and not much snagging. And I also feel that with, this isn't gonna be like a wash day video. So if you wanna see my wash day, I'll link that up there too. The shampoos I'm using right now is Redken's. I love them. I really do. I've really just started using them, but I'm really liking them so far. Put that in my hair. This is the real test. This is the real test when it comes to washing. I'm going to, okay, I can feel the lather. See, this is what I feel like I'm like struggling with a bit, is like being able to feel. It's like a layer. At least I'm feeling the lather, that's important. It feels way better with these gloves. And it just like, there's just no snagging. That was shampoo. I'm really liking it. Like, oh my gosh. It makes my hair feel so smooth and just like perfect. I'm realizing I got shampoo in my eyes, so shoot. And I'll be back when we do conditioner. We got some steam, y'all. The hair is clean. Now we're going to add some conditioner. I will say these gloves, a lot of slip. Very true. I don't know if I need to get used to it, but I can feel my hair, but I feel like I can't feel my hair, as in like there is so much slip, but I feel like my hair is touching nothing. Like this little barrier does a lot. And then also when I'm washing, I can't tell if all the soap is gone. So I've been washing for so long thinking that there's so much soap in here, and I just took it out and I was like, we'll see, and there's none. So that's good, but that's something to let you know about. We washed twice, And next we're gonna put some conditioner. This is a really long wash day, I feel like. This is the part that I'm like, I'm not nervous for, but I'm excited to see. And I feel like I'm going to be like struggling with being able to feel this conditioner in my hair. I don't use much conditioner. I do a technique called marrying your conditioner. This is really hard. I don't know where I put any of this conditioner. I feel like I don't know where I put any of it. Okay, so we're gonna be using a lot of conditioner today. I don't know if these, see, I have conditioner in my hair and it doesn't feel like it. Sorry, it's getting foggy, y'all. So I'm just gonna put this everywhere. My hair is already pretty much detangled, but I'm going to detangle while there's conditioner in my hair. I don't keep my conditioner in long, but this kind of gives me more of a reason to let the conditioner be in and set. Oh my god, have you guys actually accidentally pulled too hard and you hear that of like two hairs pulling apart? I cringe every time. All right, I'm gonna go rinse this off and detangle a little bit more, and we'll do a final closing just because y'all getting foggy again and I feel that. Sorry about it, y'all. Be back. All right, so we're here, gloves and all. We're gonna take off the gloves so I can feel my damn hands. I said like I'm excited for these gloves because like, oh, my press-ons. Nah, these press-ons just soak in these damn nails. Okay, so my verdict for these gloves is, I don't know how I feel. I was super optimistic and I was super excited. Let's start with some pros. The slip is insane. My hands just glided through my hair. I forgot what my hair felt like because it feels like nothing. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. When you're using these gloves, it feels like nothing is on your head and you're just gliding through air. Like, I love that aspect of it. The slip is there. It is slip and sliding up in this hair, that's for sure. But I don't know if I really like them, only because I could not feel my hair. Like I said, it's like air. So when you can't feel your hair, you can't feel if all the product is gone. I feel like I couldn't feel anything and it was driving me crazy. And maybe that's just something I need to get used to, but I didn't like that aspect of it. And that like was the only con. I do think everyone should give it a try and see what they think. I may not like it, but I know some people that do like it and swear by it, and this is in their wash day routine. But the slip for me was annoying. The slip for me was there, but the gloves were annoying. I just feel like this prolonged my wash day routine and it didn't make it go any quicker. It made it slowed down my wash day routine. I feel like I'm in and out real quick with my wash day. And today I felt like I was in there forever just because of these gloves. It felt just really annoying. And I just felt like everything was air. Like I felt like everything I was touching I wasn't feeling anything. I don't know, I like to feel my hair, but I think you should give it a go. I don't know if I'll try these again. I'm like thinking like, does Walmart have a return policy? Because I kind of want to return these already. It was just not something that was a fun, awesome experience for me. I don't know. I know a lot of people who probably would love that, but for me personally, it wasn't something that I was super fond of. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you have any other fun hair tips that you'd like me to give a go, because I would anything to do with hair and like beauty and stuff. I jump into it, or hair and like skin. I jump into it because that's so fun to me. But yeah, don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow in a short. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.